so that they know what to do in each step of the change. It means you don't really have to think too hard if you're doing it. The first thing that our sentry does when she comes in is she fixes her bayonet. Fixing the bayonet means your rifle is now fully armed, so once you have your bayonet on the end of the rifle, nice 15-inch metal point, it'll basically mean that if anyone tries to charge, you're ready to go. And their sir just asks you to wait there for a moment. This exit's going to be closed as we do our sentry change. It'll be done in about 3 minutes, and then you're welcome to pass through. You'll see our corporal in the guard here. She's coming to the right-hand side of the sentry. The corporal is always going to stand on the right during the change because she outranks the person who she's marching with. She's the one who's leading the march. She's setting the pace, setting the cadence. She's basically in charge the whole time. So to do that, she's going to stand on the right side. Once she gets down to the other end of the tunnel, there's going to be a verbal exchange of orders between the sentries. There are 3 orders that they follow. The first is to take charge of all government property within range of the post, which is to say that anyone who's standing sentry is watching over the glacis, the gun,